I would like to do an experiment. This is an amazing experiment that I have been doing for years usually among executives. Maybe more than 5,000 executives tried this test. And you know what? 87% of them failed this test. 87% of executives that I did this test for them failed it. You know why? Because you need to be very, very focused. So let's try and see if statistics is right or wrong. So I'm going to show you a short video. This is the experiment. And when I press the play button, you will see 6 people, okay? These people are going to throw a basketball between them, okay? Now, there are going to be 3 people wearing white shirts, and 3 people wearing black shirts. And what I want from you is something very simple. I just want a number. How many times a person with a white shirt passed the ball to another person with a white shirt? Easy, no? That's it. How many, I repeat, how many times a person with a white shirt, okay, passed the ball to another person with a white shirt? I only want a number, that's it. But remember, you have to be quiet and you have to be focused. Otherwise, you'll be in the 87% statistics. So I'm waiting for a number. Let's try this together. Shh. 1, 2. Numbers in the air. 14. Who saw 14? 14. 1-4. Okay, who saw a different number? 12? How much?
I saw something different.
Something different? Okay. Something different, okay. What's your name?
I know this experiment.
Okay. So wait, we will wait with you. I'll get back to you later, okay? So, you saw something different. Okay.
Yeah, something different.
Oh, okay, you know what? I heard 12, I heard 14 was the majority. Someone saw more or less?
Less.
Less?
Yeah.
Oh,
9.
9. We have to talk about it. 9 is new to me, but never mind. No, I'm kidding. It's okay. Nothing wrong with you, I promise. Okay, 9, something, 15, 16? No. Okay, normal group. Okay. So now, some people said they saw something different. Just raise your hand. Who can say that he or she saw something different? Maybe not even from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. We're on the number. So, Miss. Who want to share?
I saw a big black monster.
A big monster.
Like
A
a
grizzly, I don't know.
A shadow.
like a
A
gorilla.
gorilla.
Black
Green.
green.
Okay, who saw a gorilla here? Okay, let's go with them. Who saw a gorilla? Okay, you know what? Maybe there's a gorilla, I don't know. Let's see it again. And now I'll guide you how you really need to see this movie, okay? Let's do it again. Okay. So I press play and I asked you to count how many times they passed the ball. 1. Focus.
6 times.
2. And now, what happens here? Wow. A gorilla. You were right. Those of you who saw the gorilla, it's around 20%. Nah, statistics is always the same because these are the people that actually failed the test. So two options. One, you didn't listen to me, you didn't focus. Another, you have problems to be focused. That's it, really. So, but there's a really clever, something really clever that we can understand from this experiment. And we're going to talk about a lot about sight and brain and focus. We're going to talk about how do our shoppers interact with the shelf. They focus. Sometimes they don't see things. Exactly like the gorilla. 80% of you didn't see. Although you sit down in your place, the temperature is great, this is almost a human-sized screen, and you still stared at the screen, and a gorilla just moved in front of you, and you didn't see it. And you didn't see it. So we need to understand why and how it's connected to shopping. Okay. Thank you very much for participating. Okay, this is me, Sefi Gabay. I promised I will tell you a bit about myself. I'm 40 next month. This is very scary, I have to say. Some of you know, but for me it's very scary. I count back. When people ask me, who are you? I say, first of all, I'm a family guy. I'm a family guy. I have a wife, amazing wife, 3 amazing kids. And you know what? It's the best college I've ever had. I learn everything from the beginning. And usually when I say, all the women in the audience say, oh, he's so cute. Okay, that's good. There's some empathy, you know. Give me a sec. Okay, so I'm a shopping scientist, yes. There are people that are shopping scientists for shopping. I have a company called Sefi, and what we do is we study how do people shop in retail environments. So this is my job, but it's actually my life. I'm a keen entrepreneur. My partner is here somewhere. He left for a second. And, okay.
Right here.
Focus. So,
Where's the gorilla?
So I'm a keen entrepreneur. Most of the work we do, study research, we transform into technology. We have a startup company that we implement what we study inside mobile apps. And to tell you the truth, in heart, deep inside, I'm an actor in spirit. I have a spot on TV, on national TV in Israel. I do product testing, and it's my only hobby because I don't have any time anymore. But I learn a lot from it as well because on weekends, I talk to my audience. So if I had in the last 6 months around 500,000 views and around 1% write me on my Facebook, so imagine that I have around 500 people, which is a great group to understand consumerism and shopping, that interacts with me on weekend. And I learn amazing things from them. But I want to move on. Maybe if we have time, I will tell you some anecdotes about that. Scientists always learn. I'm proud to have learned from the best. The best partner, of course, Boaz, but in the middle, Paco Andere is my mentor. Paco Andere is the author and writer of the book, Why We Buy, The Science of Shopping. And this is the book for retail and retail marketing. Actually, Paco Andere, question? Paco Andere actually discovered a science. He discovered that you can actually forecast shopper or human behavior, okay, by understanding former patterns of indoor behavior and I think this is one of the most important breakthroughs in the last 30 years in retail. So yeah, I think I'm a good protege. For the last 15 years, we have been doing human research. Just wanted to show you the technique we use, and all the things that we're going to talk about today are based on this. Okay? So whether if we use the Google tracking, human tracking, go after shoppers, and find out what they're doing until they catch you. And okay, this is that. Shopper tracking by video analysis, of course. Eye tracking, which is new technologies of wearables that show you where shoppers really look at and interact. We're going to see some examples for today. And mobile research. We use all this to plan and design better retail environments. We do it also for Ava. So this is our last piece of art. It's in the Israeli duty-free. We're very proud of it. Most of it is made from salt. And if we talk about human behavior, sometimes we see people go in the duty-free and lick it to see if it's really salt. I'm not kidding. People lick it to see if it's real. Human behavior. Sometimes it's beyond, it's beyond what I can understand.